Hello, my friends. Hope all you're doing well and had a wonderful Thanksgiving. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on To me, the best part of Thanksgiving is all the leftovers you'll have the next day. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to take leftover turkey and create an amazing hearty meal. We're going to make turkey bolognese. And my friends, this dish is so yummy, full of turkey goodness. It's sure to make your mouth water. And as always, it is so simple and easy to make. So grab your turkey, your pasta sauce, and your pasta sugar, because we're about to cook some turkey bolognese magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large pot, I got the fire over medium heat. I add in some olive oil. And we're going to add in 1 onion that I diced up and 2 cloves of garlic that I minced. We're going to add in a little salt to sweat the onions. Give that a stir. We're going to let this cook until the onions translucent. Alright, my friends, the onions and the garlic is nice and translucent. I love the smell of onion and garlic. Smells good. All right. Next, we're going to add in 1 stalk of celery and 1 carrot that I diced, and I peeled the carrot. And we're going to let this cook until the carrot and celery is translucent. All right, my friends, the carrots and celery is nice and translucent. Next, we're going to add in a pound of turkey that I shredded. I'm using the white, or you can use the dark, or a combination. Going to stir the turkey in and let it saute for 1 minute. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in a jar of pasta sauce and my seasonings. I'm using kosher salt, black pepper, and Italian seasoning to taste. Give this a quick stir. Ooh, this looks so good. We're going to cut the fire down to medium-low. We're going to let this cook for 15 minutes until the turkey sauce is nice and thick. Alright, my friends, while the turkey sauce is cooking, let's go ahead and cook our pasta. I have a pot of boiling salted water. And we're going to add in a pound of spaghetti, or you can use the pasta of your choice. Give that a quick stir so it won't stick. We're going to let the pasta cook until it's al dente. And then we're going to drain the pasta and add it to the turkey sauce. Alright, my friends, the turkey sauce is ready. It's nice and thick. That looks great. So now we're going to add the cooked spaghetti into the turkey sauce. And we're going to add in some basil that I chopped and some Parmesan cheese. We're just going to stir the basil, the pasta, and the Parmesan cheese in. Look at that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish stirring everything together, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Turkey bolognese. Doesn't that look good? Look at all the pasta and the turkey and the vegetables. Looks mighty tasty. Alright, so now I'm about to pick me up a plate, and I'll give it a taste. And now for the moment of truth. I'll sprinkle some more Parmesan cheese on top. Now for the grand finale. Here we go. This is amazing. TheBomb.com. The pasta is tender. The turkey sauce, nice and chunky. It's flavorful. This would be a family favorite if you have leftover turkey from Thanksgiving. Y'all will enjoy it. Bolognese-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And stay tuned. After this video, I'm going to share with all of you my food that I made for Thanksgiving. I hope y'all enjoy it. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat, and I hope y'all enjoyed the slideshow. Much love.